Hi guys, welcome back to another live session. I'm doing Christmas at my niece. I'm gonna walk with this. Merry Christmas everyone. Today is Christmas and I'm wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, and I hope everybody have a wonderful day today. Some people gonna get gifts, some people are not gonna get any gift, but it doesn't matter. I got this from my niece. Yeah, and I'm gonna rock it today. I'm gonna take my handbag with me. Yeah, so thank you, niece. I got a Ted Baker handbag from my niece, and it looked just like me. Cute, just like me. Now, we're getting ready because we're going to our husband family to have dinner, Christmas dinner, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Yeah, thank you. I need one brush, but I can't bother go upstairs, my love. Cause if your house I go mad me. She have 1, 2, 3 floor. I can't manage. Let me put on my pants. I cannot manage our house, people. If me stay here, me must lose weight. And that me know. Ratted. Please, how we you do? You can't put on clothes no more. Yep. 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 Put on this nice little green outfit from Zara. Yeah, it's a pantsuit, and then I put on some little accessories and I'll keep it my cute earring. I'm not that fussy. And a party where I go at dinner them say. So you don't need to go all out, Lisa. So me I go walk with my clip to pin up my ear. Cause you know Goody have tall hair right now, and tall hair a bad a Goody. Goody can't manage tall hair business. Thank you for liking my live. Me I walk with, me I got people house, so I'm walking with this cute little bed slippers to wear inside the people them house. God, posh place. Me I go today. When I go see place. When you got that house, you feel like they are foreign. Look how Lisa going with it here. Look how Lisa going with it here. Somebody said to me, Lisa, you can't rock any ear. You never know that. Sir, we need brush. Yeah, go upstairs, go get one brush here. Can I have a brush upstairs?
In my wardrobe, on the side, there's brush
Yeah.
and colour.
So, my green light the tree because it's a Christmas festive season. So I have to look like the green tree. Yeah. She said. Then they look what I come up here, so I saw Goody tired. Eh? Goody tired. Merry Christmas, everyone. Remember come out there people in bedroom. You know, forgot people yard. And in the main bedroom, you hear? Stay in the quarters where them put you. You have to learn to have house manners. We're not going in people in bedroom. Huh? Yeah? Stay in the quarters where them put you. You have to have little house training, you know. You understand? Yeah. What is? When if you have like a house training, man. You know, TikTok me get that wig offer. And I was supposed to promote it and I didn't. Now I regret not promoting it. Cause me sure know say it would have sell. Yeah. But I say it go. Suppose when I see the something then when me bring come down here, one of that things say 1 week me I come for. I don't know, 1 week, you know. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for joining my live. So, I make the ears stay like this. Because it's like how some people think me is an American. No, I'm from Jamaica. Then I wonder how Lisa come out the ear like this. When she done, she don't have no ear left. The little blonde hair around her back I show. So you have to dry it down, Lisa. You have to dry it down. Remember to dry it down. Remember now your ear and the little blonde hair underneath the outfit pop out. So thank you guys for spending Christmas with me. Thank you for being an active follower on my live when I come live. Thank you for liking the live. It's not about anything than just support and having an interaction with people on live. Yeah, coming again, nobody nothing for put on, you know. So I'm not come over here and argue with people. I'm not ungrateful. Yeah. Okay, you go in at the back. No, let me see who talk to me. Because I need to know who talk to me, you know. So, you know, I'm just looking beautiful as usual. And this is a tree, guys. I'm at my niece, in case you didn't know. So my energy have to match the tree. I'm gonna show you guys something. Let me show you something. So this is our baby. And this is Danae's first Christmas. And this is Tommy. This is her stepdad, and this was the person who sponsored me to come to England. But may his soul rest in peace. He's not here with us, but he was the greatest. Yeah. So this is the beautiful Christmas tree right here. Okay. Move along, Lisa. Move along. No, when you're ready. But to not carry down them here. Them have only for something to do. Me just in a people them place I take picture and I go on with myself. You understand? I'm gonna scream record this. Watch out. Only nobody think I smell me, I smell with you know. Me I go record this back and me I go take it off. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking my teeth. God, they're nice. Right through. Me not ask you. Tell me, I tell you. I just wait for Santa Claus now to come for me. Because you know, me still a wait for Miss Alright. Miss Alright, where you there? Look like you Ross last. My niece can't bother with me, you know. So I'm ready. Let me take these things off the people in bed. Put back in my suitcase, cause me carry down 2 bags, come down here like I move in. Me I go like come move in. Let me walk with my perfume. Cause anywhere me go and me not smell good, me like for spray. Ow. Blow. Girl I flash here, you know. I wanna feel like, hey, around poor Lisa, you know. Lisa is the best. This is not a filter. This is a real face, so the lace not melt properly, but it will work today. As I reach back to London, I dry it off on my head and gone back to my little ball head. I have the glue, you know. But I don't want to put too much glue in my ear because I don't want when me take off this, I don't have no ear line. So I'm not going to do that. I need to tell my boss Merry Christmas. I haven't tell Mrs. Annabelle Merry Christmas. And Aura and Lorena. All the dentists. Lisa, you're not going good. If you tell the people they Merry Christmas. Huh? Like seriously? That's not cute. You know what I mean? You have to tell people Merry Christmas. Oh, and if Sasha go tonight. Sasha, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to my son Ronaldino and his girlfriend Sarah. Merry Christmas to my mother in Jamaica, Esme Joyce Boyen, Christopher. Charles Christopher, my dad, my brother Carl Christopher, my brother Darren Christopher, my sister Love, big up on yourself, my niece Nikki in Jamaica, and then when we touch Galen, my cousin, my auntie Wheelie, Eileen, Anita, my cousin Shakai, Tippy, Tissa, Pinky, Steve, OJ. Lord God, I will heap of them, you know. Nadine, big up yourself. You're here in the UK. I will heap of people we need to say Merry Christmas to, you know. So, I don't know on yourself, I just big up on yourself. And big up my TikTok crew. Also, Merry Christmas to Uno. Can call out everybody a holy Steve, Roshian, Shakai. I wish I was in Jamaica. But you see, next year, we are book early. And we are fly out early. What you feel like? You know, the people them are wait and wait for come because some of them want to pull present with the baby because my niece have a baby. And I think they want to pull present with the baby. But we know they are Skylark. Before we hurry up and go on where we are go. I not even paint my nails or nothing. Today I clean them up though. I buy this so I can clean up around it. I really like nails, but I did my toes.
Alright, ready?
Yes. The man of the house asked if we're ready. So I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. No, I'm not gonna stay up for my life. Oh, you're downstairs. Why the baby crying? Front. Same to you. I'm fixing light. Nice neighborhood, my love. Good, I care. Merry Christmas, Lisa. Passing through. Base 123. How you doing? 24, where things is gonna be better, greater, marvelous, fantastic, fabulous, and everything that is good, everything that is lost. Yes, good. Yeah, yes. Wait, I'm say good, better, best. Never let it rest. Me still a wait for my Santa Claus. Him no come. Me I wonder where him there. But also, I don't know. I can't drive back at him, you know, because he drive fast. Then he drive fast. So I can't drive back at him, love. Let me pin up my ear. Because I can't do this talia business. Oh, some girl do it. I want to do it. Yes, pin it up. Pin it up, Lisa. Pin it up. can't manage this Fazier business. But that's how it go. It's raining, it's blessed. I'm gonna end this live, guys, so bye.